Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mark a location or how you can drop a pin on Google Maps to mark a specific place. So here I've already opened my Google Maps apps on my phone, and I'm going to just, for example, let's say I'm going to mark this place. So what you need to do is just long press or click on the place that you want to mark. Okay, I'm going to just, and here if you swipe, there will be an option to add a label. So click on add a label, then you can just enter a custom name. For example, here I'm going to just use for example, I'm going to just write cafe, and after that you can just go back. Okay, sorry, click on this save, and it will be saved. Your place is set, and if you want to see your label list, you can just go back first and click on save in here, and here is the label option. So this is the place that I marked before. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.